Hello everybody, I'm back again now to share with you some more cards that I'm making with these lovely background papers from Shiny Silver Treasures new release, released on the 1st of July, called Nature's Treasures. And I'm going to be using the background papers and the Nature's Treasures toppers, which have got all these lovely animals in: the pigs, the butterflies, the bees, the ladybirds, the robins and the squirrels. So I thought I would just make a couple more cards with you and see how it goes. So I've already backed the cards with the paper just to make life a bit easier, and these items will all be available in Dawn's Etsy shop. There will be a link to the shop in the description box below. So, and there'll also be a link to all the people who are on her design team, so that you can go and see what lovely inspirations they've come up with using these products. So I thought I would like to use the squirrel, and I had an idea with these ladybirds. I thought they look so cute. So I thought of putting them across the bottom here like that, and then bringing in some of the bees, because this paper to me, it still looks a bit like honey. So I'd bring in some of the bees, maybe like that, and we can think of a sentiment. So let's see what we've got on the sentiments. Let's see if there's something here that takes my fancy. I could put this one: friends are the family we choose, because there's a variety of animals here. Quite like that. Enjoy the moment. Happy birthday, happy for you, best wishes, thank you, thinking of you, love you, always in my thoughts. Enjoy the sunshine. No, I think I like that. So for this card, let's stick these down. And I'm wondering if I want to have any dimension with this one, because I haven't actually given any of them any dimension, have I? So the ones that I've been making, but I think not, probably. Where's my glue? It's probably right under my nose. Oh, here it is, standing up. Okay, so I'm going to start by sticking down these. I love the fact that we've got sort of different sizes of the same image, so you can make like a family. You can also, yeah, and also you can give a bit of depth to the card by putting the bigger ones at the front and the smaller ones towards the back. So I quite like doing that as well. So I know I'm not going to put any dimension on these cards, I don't think. The squirrel is so cute. So the little bees be buzzing around in a friendly manner. There we are. And I'm just going to cut this up. Hope you can see what I'm doing. There we are. Friends are the family we choose. Okay, friends are the family. Friends are the family we choose. Okay, so friends are the family we choose. Maybe something like that. Does that look okay? I think so. Anyway, let's go for it. So, just putting lots of glue down. Friends. Friends are the family. Hope these are straight. We choose. Okay, so there's our first card. I hope you like that. And now the next one, I've got 2 more Z card folds here. So I just thought of using 3 different size robins. I thought could be like kind of like that, and the butterfly. I think that looks nice. So again, I'm just going to glue these down. Now these images are quite easy to fussy cut out, and don't worry if you cut the legs off or anything. You're trying to do the finer details, because we can stick them back separately on the image on the paper, but we can also draw in some black lines with a pen. So not to worry, not to get anxious if we make a mistake, because I think you can see on the big image I have cut one of his toes off. So I'm just going to rectify that in a minute. So, and this leg's a bit wonky. There we go. So where's my black pen? So here we are. So in fact I've cut them both off, so we can just draw a bit of extra black, and then here I'm not quite sure what's happened here. Okay, right, and then I'm just going to stick this butterfly on, and we have to choose a sentiment. So so I haven't stuck these sort of dead straight on purpose. So I've got enjoy the moment. Let's see what else we've got. Thank you for me, you and me. I could use happy birthday, or thank you, thinking of you, love you, always in my thoughts, beautiful you, precious memories. I think I'm going to use this one, enjoy the moment. I'm just going to cut it down a bit. And I'm going to put it there, but I think I'm going to put a fishtail in it. So, like that. Let's cut this bit off a bit closer to the thing. So, yeah. So there we are. Let's just put some glue down. And just going to pop that there. And I think that this one could do with some gems dotted around. In fact, they probably could all do with some gems dotted around, or maybe some of these flowers. Let's see. I put some of these flowers around, just to fill it out a bit, really. And maybe a few in here. I would probably use Nouveau drops or something like that if I had them with me, but I haven't, so I didn't bring very much with me when I came, so just using what I've got. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 maybe, and then here 3 perhaps, 1 or 2. I think I like that. So I'm just going to stick these on. Now I'm sticking them, I hope they're going to stick the wrong way round. Let's see. I have a little trick with these. Whoops. I flatten them out. I don't know whether they're going to stick. I don't think so. Oops. try again. Put a bit of glue on the edges this time. Let's try. No, it's not going to work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this as it is, and I'll embellish it later when I get home. Unless I've got something here I could put on it. Just wondering about these flowers inside. Let's see what else I've got. Got a whole load of things over here to my left. Something else here. I've got these flowers which I could use. These are cut out of what's it called? Glitter paper. I've got some big ones. Big one. One, two, three, four, five. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I'm going to put these on, and then we'll see how we go. So I think these backing papers will be very versatile for things that we have in our stash. Actually, I've got quite a lot of die cut birds, and I was just trying them out on here, and they look lovely. But for this video, I want to use things from the actual kits, just to show that, you know, that they can be, that they just, if you haven't got anything else in your craft room, you know, if you're just buying the kit and you haven't got any other bits and pieces, you can actually make lots of lovely cards. Now I think I'm going to add some little gems. So where's my little thing with gems in? Yeah. Colour shall we go for? Shall we go for the pinks perhaps? Right, okay, so just put a little blob of glue in each one. I've had this wheel of gems for absolutely ages. I can't say how long, but probably about 10 years, possibly. And they're just so lovely. So I'm just putting pink ones of various shades there, and then I'll do the front ones. This one's already got a green one in it, so maybe I ought to put some green in the other ones. So let's get the green ones. Oh yeah, that looks nice. So there we are. So that's the second card finished. And finally, I'm going to be making this one with the blue background. And for this one, I thought of using some of my die cuts. So I've got these two die cuts that are actually black on the other side, but the black won't show up. But I thought if I stick them this way, that might look quite nice. And I could perhaps do it like that. Yes, like that. And then I thought of adding the pigs. Don't ask me why I thought of adding the pigs, but I did. So I thought of something like that. So I think that's what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to put some glue on here. So as you can imagine, I am filming this in advance, probably on the 1st of July when the collection goes live. I won't actually be away. I'm filming this at the beginning of June, and I must say it's been a lovely kit to play with, and I've really had a lovely day today playing with all these lovely things. So just wondering, shall I put the bigger one here and then put the little one there? No, put the intermediate one there and the little one there. I think that looks better, so I'm going to put the big one down here. Such good fun, aren't they, these pigs? They are really quite something. So I'm just going to stick half of this one so that we can open the card. Just move that up a bit. And then I'm going to stick this down. So this would be nice for somebody who likes pigs. I don't actually think I know anybody who likes pigs, but it could also be a nice card for a man. A bit of fun. I have it on the authority of my my brother that men like flowers as well. So okay, so I'm going to stick this one here. Then we're going to add some gems to these white bits, and then sentiment. So there's the 3 pigs. That down. Now what shall we put? Let our friendship bloom. Dream a beautiful dream. I think I'm going to just put for you. Here's my trimmer. Just going to cut that one off. There we are. For you. And where shall we put it? Perhaps down here? Yeah, I like that. I have to cut this better because it's not very, it's a bit wonky. You trim it down a bit, and I think I'm going to put it on some white card because it doesn't show up very well on the very dark colours. So I'm just going to stick it on here. Really hasn't been cut out very straight at all. Anyway, it's got a rustic look about it. So I'm just going to cut that off and cut this along here. Right. Okay, so let's stick that down. For you. And now let's find some gems to put in the flowers. What colours would be nice? Let's see, I've got yellow here. Let's see what that looks like. I've got pink. Just thinking of putting a few in the, where, you know, like the centre of the flowers. I've got purple. Just seeing which colour I like best. It's interesting. I don't know why I like the pink. I think I like the pink best. Anyway, it shows up the best as well, so we're going to go for pink, and I hope I've got enough. So let's get rid of the purple. So let's have a go. So let's put pink here. Pink here. Got stuck down the holes of the flowers. Pink one. Another pink. These are pink. This one is pink. There we go. This one. And this one. There's two more here. That one. And this one. They've all turned over, of course, and they're hiding their faces, so I'm not sure. I think one more actually. Is that pink? Yeah. One more here. Yes, I think that's nice. So I think I have to do it on here as well. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Let's see what we've got. It's purple. I've got some more pink here. Let's tip those out. They've all got muddled up now. I've tried to keep them all separate for a long time, but then in the end I thought, oh, I'll just muddle them up, because they're quite fiddly to put back into the little wheel. And 3, 4, 5, and 6. There we are. So that is the last card. So I'm just going to bring in then the 3 cards that we've made this time. So it's this one, and this one. You can see that. So the lovely squirrel with the ladybirds and the bees. You friends are the family we choose. Then enjoy the moment with the robins, and we put lots of flowers inside. And then this one with the pigs. And then I thought I'll just show you the other cards that I've made in case you've missed those videos. These are what I've made before. So with this set of cards that I'm sharing with you now, I have used 1 each of the background papers, and 2 lots of cards I've made using the animal toppers, and 2 with the other toppers. So those are the ones that we've made using the animals, and then these are the ones that I've made using the toppers. So there are 4 of those. I seem to be missing 1 piece of paper, so I've used 9 of the papers. There are actually 10. So, and I think they're just all so stunning, so vibrant and lovely. So thank you all for watching. As I said, there will be a link to Dawn's Etsy shop in the description box below. The collection is released on the 1st of July. I'm not quite sure whether this video will be up before or after the release date, but I hope if you do decide to go over to Dawn's Etsy shop and buy something, I hope you will have as much fun making things with the kit as I have. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all again in my next video. Bye for now.